In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 proven ways to make money online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So every day there's millions of people searching on YouTube, on Google for ways to make money online. Everyone wants to know what is the best way to make money online. Everyone wants to find out proven ways that they can use to make money online. So based on my experience, I've been making a full-time income online for the past few years, and based on my experience, I'm going to share with you in this video 5 proven ways that you can use to make money. How do I know that they work? Mainly because I have made money using these methods. So I'm going to go briefly on some of this method. I'm going to explain what it is, and I'm going to link to a video that goes into details on exactly what you can do to start making money using this method. After you watch this video, you can pick the one that works best for you if you're interested in doing any of these methods. Now, in addition to actually watching different videos that are going to dive deep into the specific methods on how you can start making money, what I want you to do is to also download my free affiliate marketing guide, because in that guide I really go into details on how you can apply many different methods of making money online. Even if you just want to make $50 per day or $100 per day, you can learn how to do that with affiliate marketing. So what I want you to do is to just go below and download my free affiliate marketing guide. The first method I have for you is one of the easiest ways that you can make money online, simply exchanging your time for money, and that is using freelancing websites, basically to offer freelancing services in multiple websites where people can hire you to work on a specific task or project. Now you might be thinking, well, Lester, I don't have any special skills that I can use as a freelancer. I'm not a photographer. I don't know how to edit videos. But there's a lot of things that you can do. There's a lot of different services that you can find on many of these freelancing websites. In fact, if you go and watch this video, it'll explain to you how I made over $4,000 using a website called Fiverr, which is a freelancing website. And basically it took me a few minutes to be able to provide this type of service, and no special skills whatsoever. So not having special skills, it's not an excuse, because there's a lot of different things that you can do. Fiverr is one of the best websites for you to start launching your freelancing services, and then from there, once you start getting some experience, you can jump into other big websites like Upwork or freelancer.com. Now there's a lot of people that make a full-time living as a freelancer, and they provide freelancing services on the top 3 websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, and basically you can do the same thing. So the second way is Facebook video ad breaks, and I've talked a lot about this in my YouTube channel, and if you can go and watch this video, it'll explain exactly what Facebook video ad breaks is and how I made over $300 with a single video. But basically what it is you build a Facebook page, you grow that Facebook page to, I don't know, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 likes. Over time, this is something that you can do over time. It doesn't have to be in like 90 days. I actually have multiple Facebook pages that have a few 100,000 likes, and it took me about 2.5 years, 3 years to actually be able to build those pages to that amount of followers. So now that I have that audience, I can monetize that audience in many different ways, and one of those ways is using Facebook video ad breaks, which is basically uploading a video to Facebook and placing ads, Facebook ads, inside of those videos basically. And every time someone watches those videos and they play an ad, I get a small commission. So it's pretty similar to what YouTube does with the YouTube ads. Facebook is doing the same thing. And if you want to learn how to do that, if you already have a Facebook page, if you like using Facebook, or perhaps you want to monetize your videos on Facebook, then video ad breaks, it's also one of the best ways to monetize videos and make money using Facebook. Which actually brings me to number 3, which is Facebook Instant Articles. I've actually made a lot of money using Facebook Instant Articles, and what this is if you set up a blog, again, this is for people who want to build a Facebook page, who want to build a following on Facebook for a specific niche page. It doesn't have to be, for your name or for a specific brand. It could be a niche page or a page about a hobby or topic that you really want to talk about. And if you want to go into details on how to do that, go and watch this video, because it's going to explain to you how you can make money with Facebook instant articles, and I go into details on what type of Facebook pages should you actually build, what type of niche or topic you should talk about to be able to make more money, and all that information is found in that video. Well, basically you have a Facebook page, you have a blog, and once you start sharing those articles or posts in your Facebook page, you can monetize those posts or articles with Facebook ads. So basically, if you get a lot of traffic, you'll be able to make money from the amount of times that people are viewing those ads inside of your articles. The more traffic you get, the more money you can make. Now, I've actually posted multiple videos talking about how much money I've been able to make with Facebook instant articles. You can go on my YouTube channel, you can see that I've made up to $8,000, $12,000 per month just by sharing articles on Facebook pages. This is not something that you can do overnight. It actually takes time to build a Facebook page to 100,000 likes or 500,000 likes. But once you actually start building that Facebook page and get some audience and get some likes to your page, and you start getting a lot of likes every time you post a new piece of content, then you can start monetizing with Facebook instant articles. Then you can start monetizing with video ad breaks, and those two streams of income with Facebook can add up at the end of the month and make you a few $1,000s per month. Now let's talk about number 4, and that is YouTube affiliate marketing. Perhaps one of my favorite ways to make money online, mainly because it's just about creating videos. If you enjoy making videos like this, if you don't want to show your face, that's fine. You can also do that. There's ways that you can make money with YouTube and affiliate marketing without showing your face. But the reason why I like it so much is not only because I enjoy making this type of videos, but also because those videos sit on YouTube for months and years, and they can receive a lot of targeted views every single day, and basically those targeted views can turn into dollars if you know exactly what to promote. So if you want to find out exactly what I'm talking about, go and watch this video right here, because I talked about how I was able to make over $5,000 with a single YouTube video, talked about a specific product, and this is basically an affiliate marketing product that you promote using a YouTube video, and that video made me a lot of money over the years, mainly because it was ranking on the first page of YouTube. So once you learn how to create videos, rank videos on the first page of YouTube, you can make money with affiliate marketing. You don't have to depend on YouTube ads to make money. You don't need 1,000 subscribers on YouTube to make money. All you have to do is find the right affiliate products to promote. You need to be able to create the videos, optimize the videos, rank them on YouTube, and once they're ranked on YouTube, they'll start getting views, and you'll start making commissions for every single time someone clicks on a description and goes to that product and they buy the product, then you make a commission. So without a doubt, I love YouTube and combining affiliate marketing with YouTube, because it's one of the best ways to build a brand, one of the best ways to promote any type of affiliate product. And at the same time, you can make money in multiple different ways, not just affiliate marketing. You can monetize it with YouTube ads, but affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the best option for YouTube, because not everyone can be approved for monetization with YouTube. Not everyone can reach 1,000 subscribers, but everyone can promote affiliate products using YouTube. All right, so let's talk about number 5, and that is small business services. Now, small business services, what I'm talking about with this method is basically you providing a service to a small business. This could be making a video, this could be building a website, or doing some SEO, or perhaps doing some YouTube ads or Facebook ads to help them get more leads or more traffic. But in a specific case, I want to share with you how I was able to make $600 per week selling small websites to small business owners. In fact, you can go and watch this video where I cover in detail exactly how I was able to do that. But this is something that you can do from home. You don't need to have a company. Basically, you don't need anyone. This is something that you can do in your own time, just a few hours per day. The only thing that you need to master is how to find those clients, those small business clients that you can use. And I even show you how I did that, how I was able to do that. I explain exactly what I do in that specific video if you want to learn how to do that. Now, in that specific case, what I used to do is just build a small WordPress blog or WordPress website using templates, and then I would sell those websites, customized websites, to a small business that had a very ugly website or didn't know how they could improve or build their own website. And I would sell it for like $500, $600, sometimes up to $1,000 for a single website, and it would take me about 3-4 days to be able to build a website, even outsourcing most of the tasks that I didn't want to do. And I would actually use websites like Fiverr to outsource the installation and many of the aspects of customizing the website, and I will still keep a very chunk of the money, basically making 80% profit. So guys, all the things that I mentioned in this video are stuff that I actually done, that I've made money from, and you can definitely replicate it. You can definitely use it to make money online. I really do hope that you got some value from this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.